Hi guys, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my house. This is the house from a bird's eye view. There's a jetty to the side, a jetty in the back connecting to a bridge. There's my boat docked outside. Let's go inside of the house. This is the back door of the house, and this is the inside room of the house. The house is empty. Yeah. So, this is my bedroom. There are two beds, two sunflowers, a chest, and a crafting table. The house is empty because I do not know what to put in it. This is the last room of the house, where there's only three rooms in the huge house. Like, this is a living room and stuff. That's my bedroom. And that's a room that I don't know what to do with. So, this is the back. This bridge goes straight up over that mountain. Like, this bridge leads to this staircase, which leads to the top of the mountain. There's my boat out there. That's a jetty, which I use for fishing and to dock my boat sometimes. But there's another one to the side of the house, way over here, which allows me to go onto this mountain. So yeah, that's pretty much the summary of my house, except for one thing. This is the front of the house. I got some red tulips, torches, and a sign that says, "Welcome friends." So yeah, that's pretty much my house, and until next time, peace out.